Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we are going to build an OR logic gate. Now, what we have on the board right now is an AND logic gate. We press one, nothing, we press the other, nothing, we press both, the light goes on. So the OR logic gate essentially means we press either of the two buttons. So rather than build everything from scratch, I'm just going to pull out the entire configuration for the second button and just create one sort of independent button that will turn this guy on, which is going to be my first logic gate. Let me grab the robot. Jumping leads. All right, so we're gonna get this EBC, that would make it the collector, connect that to the plus, and technically, yep, we're good. So we essentially need to build another almost independent circuit that's also going to connect to this LED. Shouldn't be very hard. The button goes in, the transistor facing away. The transistor needs to be connected to this leg of the LED. In fact, we have the perfect length right here. Come on. Yes, we can. Get in there. 1, 2, 3. No, we need to go one up. That's where the LED is. So we can then connect, I guess I'll have another red cable so that you know that it's connected to the plus. We can connect that guy to the plus, and we only need the 10K activating resistor to go into the button. So I don't know if these wires are obscuring too much. I think you can still see all the circuit. In fact, let me give you the large view. These are connected both into the collectors. So the two red wires go into the collectors of both the transistors. This red wire goes into the emitter of this upper transistor. So all we need is that 10K, which is going to go right there into the plus. So the OR, essentially, whether they're both on, the output is on, or whether one of them is on, the output is on. Let's have a look. Works, works, both shall work. There you have it. That is the OR logic gate.